DS Diving Service here. It is March 14th, 2024. I cleaned your boat. I forgot to get a video, but I'm showing you that I was able to get the river staining off of the boat with this cleaning. Notice the water's very calm and flat, which means it's not lapping up on the holes, wiping off this stuff. The bottom paint is really good on most of the bottom of the boat. I don't know if you see the water line. See how the paint's coming up out of the water on this side. The paint is not coming up out of the water on that side. And the paint is not as good on that side because it's not coming out of the water. It's all cleaned up. You are good to go. Next time when you get bottom paint, direct them to raise the bottom paint up about 2 inches around the whole boat.